the game. This is a track through which we need to roll our ball through those obstacles. Those cylinders are obstacles, and we have two things. One is the ball here, and another one is this cylinder here. These two things, from this we will hit our obstacle, and this third thing, gun, is currently not working, so I'm working on it. So let's first start hitting the obstacles to our ball. First we are grabbing the ball, and we are grabbing here through distance grabbing. As you see that we grab the ball uh, without going towards the ball, right? So we have used the concept of distance grabbing here. Now we will need to just roll down the ball, and yeah, through this we are able to hit. And after that, now we will grab this cylinder. So we will hit our obstacles through the cylinder. So let's grab this cylinder. Yes, we grabbed. Oh, it is quite far. This is another demonstration. Let's first start doing with this cylinder. So as you can see, we have grab. Will grab using distance grabbing way without going there. So let's hit. So we have hit it. Next, we will use the ball through the same concept of distance grabbing. See, we have grabbed it. Now we will grab it in another hand. Now we hit the targets. Oh, it goes quite too far. So this is through which we can able to do uh, distance grabbing the objects, and we are able to hit this with the help of this. And this is the game through which we are able to hit the obstacles with the help of distance grabbing. Thanks.